Although I do like these meetings, I can remember the first manager meeting I went to, 202 and sat there for 2 hours. We didn't know who we were talking about. So I kind of like what's more this is much better. The culture has changed. Speech-wise, I got to thank you all for helping me out. I really do. It's been great. So, can't say enough.
Thank you, Warren.
I'm crying.
Thank you. And by the way, there's one key phrase I want you to always remember. Everybody here is going to remember forever. Is don't drop the football.
That's right. Don't drop
You dropped a lot.
That was cute. Did you video that?
Yes, we did.
It's going to be on YouTube, isn't it?
It might.